Want to batch create coloring pages with Gemini AI using a single prompt? Here's how in 1 minute. Open Gemini AI and switch to image generation. We'll make simple black and white outline pages. Keep your prompt structured: subject, style, layout, variations, and export size. Prompt example: outline of a playful fox, bold lines, no shading, centered, 3000 by 3000 pixels, coloring page. Add this to the end, generate 8 variations to batch produce multiple pages. Click Generate and watch Gemini create 8 clean outline images in seconds. Thumbnails appear. Tap the gallery to preview each page at full size. Use quick edits to tweak line weight or simplify details for easier coloring. Select all images, choose Export as high-resolution PNG or a multi-page PDF at 300 dpi. Export to a zip file, then download and extract on your computer. Optional, add page numbers or captions, then upload to your store or print at home. Try this exact prompt now. Link in the description. Like, subscribe, and share for more AI art shortcuts.